Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear student, welcome to the recitation of this page. We're going to read inshallah Yaa Elliyah, and our target inshallah will be reading one word at a time. Let you follow me inshallah. Aylun, Aylun, Baytun, Baytun, Taysun, Taysun, Jayshun, Jayshun, Haydun, Haydun, Khaylun, Khaylun. Perfect. We're going to the next row. Daynun, Daynun, Dhaylun, Dhaylun, Raybun, Raybun. Going to the next. Zayghun, Zayghun. Okay. Sayfan, Sayfan, Shay'an, Shay'an, Saydan, Saydan, Dayfan, Dayfan, Tayran, Tayran, Aynan, Aynan, Ghaynan, Ghaynan, Faynan, Faynan. Qaydan, Qaydan, Kaydan, Kaydan, Laythan, Laythan, Maytan, Maytan, Naylan, Naylan, Wayhan, Wayhan. This is known as Yaa Elliyah. So let's read together. Awbun, Awbun, Bownun, Bownun, Tawqun, Tawqun, Thawqun, Thawbun, Thawbun, Jawfun, Jawfun, Hawlun, Hawlun, Khawfun, Khawfun, Dawrun, 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 Rawhun, Rawhun, Zawdun, Zawdun, Sawtun, Sawtun,